Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rose. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Welcome. I'm so glad to have you here. And on today's episode, I am just going to be showing you 3 ways that I make apple cider vinegar smell good, taste good, look good. You know, that's all the things that we hate about apple cider vinegar. The first drink is called Strawberry Lemonade Paradise. Yes, I name my drinks. For all the drinks, I'm going to be using a blender and I'm going to add water. The first drink, all you're going to need are some lemons, strawberries, and I'm going to use a lemon squeezer. For the first step, all I'm doing is squeezing my lemon or juicing my lemon. I am adding sugar to this, but please, if you could stay away from sugar, add honey because we want this drink to be as healthy as possible. Now add your strawberry. Add some water. There's no measurement, you just add it to your liking. Blend away. Look how beautiful that drink looks. It's actually better when the strawberry is frozen. I'm adding it to a cup and I will explain why we are adding it to a cup and why we are not adding the apple cider vinegar now. The second drink is called Pineapple Fruitiness. Don't ask. You're going to need a grapefruit, some pineapples, but that is optional. You can use mangoes or any fruits that you like. If you did not know, grapefruit is really amazing for weight loss. It's also really healthy for you. It has a lot of fibers, potassium, and vitamin C. When I started losing weight, I used to eat half a grapefruit every morning and I thoroughly enjoyed it. And then I'm adding some water. Don't add too much because we want to keep it fruity. Blend away. You can go ahead and juice your pineapple, but I didn't. And you can also add some lime to make it taste even better. Tropical Fruity Madness. For this one, you have to use a lot of fruits, and please don't make a green smoothie. It will not work. I'm using this yogurt, the wrong yogurt. You should use a sugar-free yogurt and fat-free yogurt. I'm using this bag of fruits, which in my opinion is cheaper if you were to buy all the fruits separately. I quickly realized that this bag has bananas, and you want to stay away from bananas if you want this drink to stay. Bananas get rotten really fast. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of yogurt. You should use a fat-free and sugar-free yogurt. However, I didn't have that. Mine is finished. Blend away. And the reason why I added water instead of milk is because we want this drink to be as healthy as possible. I'm using these cups. You can find cuter ones on Amazon. Now, to me, drinking this is not about drinking it the fastest. If you're not enjoying this, then you will not stick to it. Hence why we are going to put this in the fridge, and this can last you up to 3 days. So in the morning, all you have to do is put it in a cup and then put the amount of apple cider vinegar in the drink. I accidentally made a heart. Fun fact, the strawberry lemonade one is my favorite and my mom's. I made her try it and she didn't even know I put the apple cider vinegar in there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like a part 2, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check my other videos. I will see you in another one. Bye.